So we're on the styling links. So I have made some links in HTML here. So if you want to see how I made them, there's a video in the description, check it out. So that's the lesson on links. So here I'll be styling the links. So I'm using type selector, that is for the link type selector. So I'm going to change the text decoration, that is none, that is I'm going to remove the underline. Links are underline, they have underline as default, so I'm going to remove that. You can see that. So the none has removed the underline. So now working on moving forward now. So now I can change the color of the link, that is I'm going to put a then colon link. You can see the link is in green, so I can change the color of the link from here. So I can change it to red. So I can change the color of the link to red. So let me just put it to red. So when we open on the web page, you can see on refresh, you can see the color of the link. The color of the link has become red. So let's make it capitulated. So we use the text transform. So text transform can change the letter to uppercase as in the uppercase. So when we refresh on the web page, you can see that. So that is the uppercase form of the form. So you can use word spacing. Now word spacing, space word, white letter spacing, spaces letters. So here I have space the word out, the wording. So let's go back to our link now. So you might want to, okay, let's reduce that because that's okay now. So now work on the next list decoration. That's work on the over. So on the over, so when you over on the link, so what color should be there? So it is good to use the underline when you are overing. So let's set the color first. So the color is blue. So we'll set the decoration as underline. So when you over on the link, it should be underlined. So let's refresh on the web page and see how it looks like. So you can see that. So that is looking beautiful. So that is what is ideal for website. So you should put underline as a text decoration when you over. So we have the next decoration, which is active. So this is the link you are currently on. So this what will be the color of the link you are currently on. So add a color to that. So use that to, so when the link has proper usage, so when you are on the link, so this will be the color now that as you showed. So that is the active link. So the text decoration should be none, so you shouldn't have any underline or any decoration. So let's move on to the next one now. So we have the next link, which is visited. You have the visited link. So we have the visited. So I'm going to put the color. I'm going to set the color for the visited. So we have, so this is used when you have clicked on the link. So you can see that. So that's the color that goes when you click on it. So don't forget to check out my lesson in the description. So and my other lessons also. So thank you for watching. Keep watching Code with Wheels. Like and subscribe. Thank you.